Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily import motions from other well-known CG and game engine rigs such as Mixamo, Blender MetaRig, MyHumanIK, 3ds Max Biped, Daz3D and Unreal, and import them into Character Creator 4. If you're looking to import character model rigs into Character Creator 4 instead of motions, please be sure to check out that dedicated tutorial. On the screen right now we have a humanoid character which already has the bone mapping completed. Because the mapping is completed, we can import a motion in from our content manager and play it in the animation player. Aside from Reallusion motions, you can also import motions from external sources that are targeted to other common rig types used in game and film production. In this case, I'm going to download a motion from the extensive Mixamo library called Silly Dance. In the download options, we want to ensure that we select FBX binary format at 60 frames per second. Since we're only downloading the motion and not a character mesh, we can select the Without Skin option. Back in CC4, we can drag the motion to the character directly from the Explorer window, and an import setting window will pop up, with the Mixamo character profile detected automatically. The same major industry profiles mentioned at the beginning will all automatically be detected at this stage, and if it was created in other 3D software, you can also import that particular profile yourself. A T-pose can optionally be imported at this point for detailed motion corrections, but generally motions will be correct if the proper profile is selected. The motion folder indicates the path where your motion will automatically be saved to, and you also have the option to define the samples per second, which is the same as the FPS in Mixamo. If you select Auto Generate to perform list, it will automatically add that motion to your character's right-click Perform menu. After we submit, then it will quickly convert your motion and you'll be able to test it out in the animation player. In CC4, you can access it from the Perform menu under Motion, and you'll also be able to see it in the External Motion folder in your Content Manager, saved as an RL Motion file under the Custom tab. You can now apply that motion to any other custom humanoid or Reallusion biped character. Let's take a quick look at the Perform List editor now, which you can access from the Motion button under Perform. You can see the motion path here, and if you want to rename the motion, you can just double-click it. If you want, you can also add motions here by clicking the Add button and selecting as many FBX motions as you want. Once added, they'll appear in your character's performance list editor, as well as in the same external motion folder in the Custom tab once the editor is closed. You'll also be able to access those motions from the Perform menu of the animation player as well. You can send the character along with the motions in its Perform menu to iClone using the icon in the toolbar. In iClone, you'll have the same Perform List editor along with the motions once you right-click on your character. You can do the same editing, and also apply any of those motions from there. You can also apply any motions from the Content Manager and use iClone's intuitive clip blending to combine them flawlessly into a single dance. iClone has a ton of other tools that also allow you to edit your imported motions in numerous different ways, so you can have endless combinations from just a few motions. That's about it for this tutorial, guys. Thanks so much for watching. And be sure to check out our tutorial on how to edit the facial expressions and viseme settings for your custom imported humanoid characters. I'll see you in the next video.